ekhaya mesihlushwa ama-red, you know, amagundwane. Mawenza izinto ezinga-understandeki, you understand? So we got there, to ugogo sami explainele ukuthi hey sinamagundwane kanje nakanje nakanje, understand? As we got there, uGranny wathi for i-situation ekanje, you guys will have to take this cat. Mawukhamba amalanga, i-cat liba strange. Into strange about this cat, it talks, asinothisi but iyakhuluma. Le cat le malithanda ukuphuma ngo-12, mayithi 0000 AM, malithanda ukuphuma, likhala lifuna ukuphuma. Then le cat leli vele ngizama ukulixosha, you understand? Ngizama ukulixosha ngithi ngiyashaya le cat vele, yabona. Likhiphe i-sound engekho normal, mara yalizwa le cat liceda ukungithuka. So one day siye eBotswana vele ngithatha ikati vele ngithi kumama hamba sithathe le kati masifika kude le and before uBotswana silahle nje. Masilahla le kati okay sispend amalanga lapha eBotswana sibuye. Masibuya ikati lisendlini. Ngizama ukulishaya le kati liphunyuke, ngizama ukulishaya ngelikhabe la enyaweni. Lingakhona ukuhamba, you understand? Lihambe like liphume ngewindow lihambe asazi ukuthi liphelelepi, you understand? So one day siphume esontweni. Ugogo sindlule vela aphuye nathi akasibulisi ugogo, understand? Remember ukuthi le kati ngiyishaya enyaweni, understand? Ugogo akasakhona ukuhamba like uhamba ngokuhlotsa. Okay shapha ugogo simbulisa angasibulisa sishaya ngebhomu asibheke.
3, 2, 1 and action jam.
Sanibonani bafethu lapho makhaya once again. Soweto podcast, it's in the house bafethu. Soweto podcast, the show that you've been waiting for, guys. Yeah, no, it's in the space. It's taking over as always. Yeah, bafethu, it's doing what it always does best. So yeah, sipo hate bote ngufikile wa tlhatlhamolo wa berekula bafethu ra le tsanya bula bafethu la tseba ke re etsa jwang. So yeah, bafethu, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button bafethu, share our stories, guys. Yeah, no, we really like to say at this point in time bafethu, this is 2026 ne bafethu. We really appreciate till to date. No, you guys have been very consistent bafethu, watching the show, sharing the stories, commenting. Thank you so much. And moreover, the ones that are praying for the show bafethu, we really like to extend a hand of saying bafethu, we really appreciate. And we ask you to continue to do that for us. We are sitting on this huge number that we're sitting on of having viewership and being international because of such people. So guys, we really appreciate. Bafethu, on another note, we'd like to send our condolences as a sort of podcast bafethu ukuthi ano what has happened to abantwana bethu bafethu. Yeah, no, kubuhlungu ngizumzali futhi kakhulu kuyazwela kakhulu bafethu. So yeah, we totally condemn in of our transport system for abantwana bethu. And then the next thing, the very same transport system that we're using end up taking our children's life or end up taking our lives as well. So as a sort of podcast, we'd like to send our condolences to the parents to say, guys, yeah, no, ukuba nomntwana, it's a serious loss. And I can say this without any fear of favor, it's a loss to us as well. You know, just to have umntwana, you feel good as in, if it was your child, how would you feel? What would you do? So abazali abathintekile, as a podcast, we'd like to say ukuthi yo ngathi uJehova nganiqinisa, guys, uJehova nipha amandla to overcome the situation. So yeah, ngempela I say this from the bottom of my heart. Sithi tutu kunina bazali and anikhalini nodwa. We also share your pain and we share your whatever the grief that you're going through. And we really like to ask the government to and intervene into this matter. And since the transport system has been so that imotos guys, let us observe this as a moment of trying to fix things. We don't want to have this thing having to take place over and over. So if there's any way this thing can be combated and be solved and come up with a solution, let that happen, guys. I mean, there's a lot of transport. This is Bonala. These are not fit to carry even you as umtomtana. What more about your children? You know, so guys, let's put lives first. Please, let's save life. This thing of saying government lines in the right, guys, as a sort of podcast, we condemn that with all due respect to the ones who are having a transport. It's not an attack on you, but can you imagine the life of people that are going to be lost because of a transport layer? So why can't you just fix the car and then put it back, say, in a good state to do the work? So let us save life, guys. Our life matters, especially in Mpilo Umuntu Omnyama. I don't know, guys. I could be wrong. Please correct me if I'm wrong. We're not seeing this in other races. Why should it always be Impilo Umuntu Omnyama ekumele ihlale kukhulunywa ngawo kumaphephandaba nasema-TV nasema-radio? No, it has to stop, guys, in all honesty. And I say this with utmost humility and respect for all the transport owners. But let us do the right thing. Bazali siyacela, please. Fix the cars so that we are always at risk. We're not saying just because it takes it, just because it comes it's more risk. But if it's not in good condition, then definitely the chances of such things, it's very high. So it's on our side as a podcast, as a Soweto, as Usiga Otasekas Mtaneni Wafetu, a brother, a father as well. Please, my children are also in the transport. I can imagine if it was me, what would I be going through? So please, guys, let us all stand up and condemn this thing. Please, guys, please fix your cars. Please fix your cars. We need you as the transport guys. We need you for imotos abantwana bethu. We need you. No, honestly, we do need you. But do the right thing on your part. On the lighter note, guys, let us continue with the day of the work. So yeah, let us see ukuthi namhlanje sibamba kanjani. So guys, please to the whole Soweto, to the whole nation yomuntu omnyama, kunina bafethu. After this, let us rise and assist bambeni bafethu. To those kids, we love them so much. Their little soul, may they rest in peace. May the mighty God protect them. And may the mighty God be with the family. All of them. God will do you well. This is my prayer to you. God will do you well and you shall overcome. Mpechaka?
Hey, sir.
Who's it?
Nandena.
Okay, Mfano.
Good.
Do you want to share your own thoughts about the situation of Antoniva School that happened? What is your take on it?
It is really a sad situation, hey, because kuyamoshakala emhlabeni, understand? But then I'd also say siyabantu sibambisane sithandazeni sonke, you know. Yeah.
Wow, nice one. Please tell our viewers, Mfana, we've got millions of viewers that are watching us right now.
Yeah.
By the way, we are international as well as Soweto podcast is international.
Yeah.
Like yabona njengoba sikhuluma so,
Yeah.
eChina bakubhekelele, eZimbabwe bakubhekelele, eNigeria bakubhekelele,
Yes.
Mumbai bakubhekelele, eDubai bakubhekelele. No, I'm being honest with
I
you.
know.
No, I'm not blowing my horn. So with that note, Mpechaka, please introduce yourself. Tell us who you are. Nokuthi uphuma kuliphi kasi, ukhule nobani, ukhule nabobani, ukhule umntana onjani.
Okay. Sanbonani, my name is Aaron Tamaye, ngihlala eDobsonville, you know. I'd
Aaron.
like to, yes.
Okay, Aaron Tamaye.
Yeah, I'd like to give shout out to abantu baseKaSlami vele,
Yeah.
you know, yes.
You really as famous, well, I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much. Yeah, bangisa
okay.
Brasties, you know. Yeah.
I like that.
That's true, yes.
Sure,
Yes,
Prestige.
Yes, pa.
Okay, cool. All right, Steve.
Yes,
Let us get to the situation today.
You know, today I came, you know, and you know, mengizotshela abantu vele ukuthi man, you know, we should be extra careful because izinto zenzakala la ngaphandle, you know, there's a lot of things that are happening. So today I just wanted to come and share my story, you understand? Maybe like it can teach someone else out there. So yes, you know. So today I came to tell you guys about, you know, isn't as funny, understand? It's no nama situation, understand? And like we seek help from people, you know, and it's hard to see. It's easy to tempo muntu, you understand?
Sure.
Yes. So I've once been in a situation whereby ekhaya meslupshwa ama-red, you know, amagundwane toheba.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes. And maslupha amagundwane, they were so abnormal because I mean mawenza izinto ezinga-understandeki, you understand? Because like mesinokubeka ukudla sibeke mhlambe like ishefu ukuthi isibulale, but you know ayakhetha uthola ukuthi leto yoba le idla emakhoneni ishi poison like kanjani, you understand? Because yeah, man, it's just strange. Kudla like amakhaboti, impahla, understand? Until the day, you know, I was like to my mom, you know, I can feel good semakundwana lawo awekho normal, you know. So how about we go for a consultation, because my mom doesn't believe in those things.
Okay,
like, you know,
cool.
it's fine, understand? Umuntu esonto vele umuntu othandazayo kakhulu la situation ukuthi athandaze, you know. So one day she told me ukuthi uphuphile, waphupha ugogo kunogogo waseKaSlam, you understand? I'm sorry, I won't say her name, you know.
Yes, yeah,
You
just
know,
for safety, yeah.
Yeah, you know, ube amphupha vele lo gogo, like, you know, into ukuthi namagundwana, thuma amagundwana and everything, you know, like she didn't understand the dream. I was like to her, how mhlawumbe ukuthi like ugogo it's a calling, ukuthi it's a sign ukuthi we should go to her, see or consult about amagundwana, sizwe everything, you know. My mom was like, it's fine because now I can see what you were saying about amagundwana, so how about we go there, you know. So we got there. To ugogo some explainele ukuthi sinamagundwana kanjena kanjena kanjena. Then ugogo washo ukuthi hayi you guys were supposed to be here. She told us that, you know, and she was like, no, for a situation amagundwana, how about me nike iswasho, understand? Iswasho lesi kimesimnyama, you know. So
Amagundwana.
yeah, for amagundwana, you know. And she told us ukuthi leswasho lesi nisebenzise ngo 3 a.m. specifically ngo 3 a.m. ingabi after 3 or before 3. Mayithi 3 a.m. ningaphandle nifuke nasejardini nifuke, you know. Okay, because like sifuna uncedo.
Sorry,
Yes.
fuke again, kuchela.
Yeah, ukuchela, you understand? Because like sifuna uncedo, we take it, you know. Okay, it's fine, you know. Vele before sizoyenza lento le sithandaze, vele umama umuntu omthandazo vele, you know, sithandaze. Then we woke up vele ngo 3 senza kanjalo, you know. Ngilele ngiyahamba ngiyolala, mangilala ngiyaba nama nightmares. You see ukuba paralyzed in the middle of the night, you know, about ngilwa nemimoya, you know, I can't wake up but I'm fighting, you understand? Yo, okay, ngiyazama ukuscreama, my mom heard me, yabo wazazongibuza, hey, what is happening? Hey mama ngikhona ukulala because I can see ukuthi kunemimoya emibi, yabo. And my mom was like, no, let's go back to uGranny, yabo simtshela ukuthi ku happen in, you know. Okay, we went there. As we got there, uGranny wathi for a situation ekanje, you guys will have to take this cat, you know. Ikati lena hiyo ezonisiza ukuthi ni get rid of ama-rats. She said that to us, you know. Vele abantu yazi bathi igundwane liqosha amagundwane, you know. Okay, she gave us a cat, you know. Icat mele kahle. Mawukhamba amalanga, icat liba strange. Liba strange to a point whereby like we can see ukuthi no, this is so unnormal, you know. So oh yes, icat izile kena sayikhulisa kanjalo, you know, vele yena waxosha amagunda mesingaphindi siwabone, you understand? Yes, but then into strange about this cat, it talks, as notice but iyakhuluma, you understand? So there was one day mekuze ama-visitor vele, about family visitors, you know, mwazile ikati leli liyasuka eplating ya visitor iyotshontsha inyama, like ithatha inyama ibaleke, understand? Ukuthi how, you know, Abo, umama saka ikhetha amakati kanjalo, but then you know like iyathusa lento leyo, you understand? Okay, it's fine, yabona. So there was a day vele lekati leli, okay, not a day, but lekati le melithanda ukuphuma ngo 12, mayithi 00:00 am, melithanda ukuphuma, likhala lifuna ukuphuma. Every time mayithi ihlala endlini the whole day, mayithi 12 lifuna ukuphuma liyakhala, you understand? And melikhipha ama sound, yabona. Okay, silivulele because we got used to it, silivulele liphume vele. So mina vele ngimbuza ugogo ukuthi why ikati njalo lifuna ukuphuma ngo 12, is that normal? Ugogo antshela ukuthi hayi ikati vele lithanda ukuphuma liyodlala namanye amakati, but eKaSlam asinama-cat. You know, asinama-cat, liyodlala namaphi ama-cat. Abo ugogo asho ukuthi hayi it's normal, you know, we got used to that, you know. So ikati leli one day okay, it was a thing of vele mekuze ama-visitor futhi, understand? So i-visitor ligijimisana lekati, yabona liyakhala igijima, kwenzakalani manje, hayi nali ikati, understand? Then lekati leli vele ngizama ukulixosha, understand? Ngizama ukulixosha, ngiyashaya lekati vele, yabona. Likhiphe i-sound engekho normal, mara yalizwa lekati liceda ukungithuka. Liyangithuka lekati, but then, you understand? Like, you know, okay, sharp ukena. Kwenzakale kanjalo makwamalanga vele isimoshele lekati vele there was a day vele mesimele ukuthi siye eBotswana ne-family yami, understand? Then we took a car vele siye eBotswana, sathi mama sathi because lekati leli asikhona ukulibulala, siyazama ukulambisa, still liyabuya endlini, masithi alambisa liyabuya endlini, masithi abulala because you know still liyabuya endlini, you understand? So one day siye eBotswana vele ngithatha ikati vele ngithi kumama how about sithathe lekati masifika kude le and before uBotswana silahle nje, understand? I was like no, it's a good idea, senze njalo vele sihambe vele mabona because ikati vele ngeke jump ibhoda, I mean, you know, silahle vele ikati, understand? Masilahla lekati okay sibe namalanga lapha eBotswana sibuye masibuya ikati lisendlini ikati masibuya ekhaya lisendlini ikati lihleli ngiyabona ikati le ha you understand but that reaction you understand you can tell about the reaction ekade okay this is so unnormal understand so umama vela esontweni lakhe ngitshele ukuthi umama umuntu othandaza you know umama umuntu othandaza you understand vele sisuke siyesonto like isonto yama mina ngingayithandi you know I'm sorry to say this but because like I feel like abantu abajajanayo you understand and everything but you like let's go there vele umunye umprofit vele ayiwaphatha umoya hey tie you understand akhuluma ukuthi hey lekati le kunogogo ikasi lakho kunogogo ikasi lakho wenza kanje you understand so okay sharp ugogo vele beyikhona into asitshele yona ukuthi kunabantu basemndenini and everything understand with like umama vele ayibelieve so she was like umama senza kanjani ngale kati since lila basitshele same thing esiwasho ukuthi you must take isiwasho wenze ikati is same thing ugogo makasitshele yona so you see it's hard to trust ukuthi ungathatha isiwasho and everything after what happened understand but bona isiwasho sabo mesimhlophe it was into ukuthi umnyama vele yabo abantu bathandazayo vele salithatha kanjalo and masithi sicela ikati hayi alikho ejardini masithi like alikho ejardini liza nje ebusuku nakhona ngo12 liyahamba you understand so kuze ilanga you understand vele kuzilanga angithi vele lekati like uyabona le strange alifuna ukuhamba you understand lekati leli vele ngizama ukulishaya yabo mangithi ngiyashaya vele ngithatha umshanyelo ngilibamba ngisiyazi ukuthi mawubamba ikati la yabona liyalokha yabona ngizama ukulishaya lekati liphunyuke ngizama ukulishaya ngilikhabe la enyaweni yabo ngilikhabe enyaweni lingakhona ukuhamba you understand lihambe like ngiphume ngewindow lihambe asazi ukuthi liphelelepi you understand so one day siphume esontweni nomama sifike endlini you understand vele like ugogo umuntu asikama umuntu asibulisayo kahle sanibonani you understand okay sharp ugogo sindlule vela aphuye nathi akasibulisi ugogo understand remember ukuthi lekati ngiyishaya enyaweni understand ugogo akasakhona ukuhamba like uhamba ngokuhlotsa yabona how okay sharp ugogo simbulisa angasibulisa sishaya ngebhoma sibheke iphume kithi sharp one day again akuze ilanga vele because ugogo makabona ukuthi manje sesiyalwa naye understand due to esonto emasinike iwasho and everything yabona ugogo ukuthi hayi ngathi sekuyimpi le
yes spiritual
you understand so one day sivuke vele ngo12 exactly you understand sivuka umama mangena umama uyathandaza umama uphethe umoya umama uyathandaza understand ngisathi ngivula umnyango vele like ngihlangane nogogo makagcoke idress emnyama ungaphandle
koheni
yes
okay
yabona masithi vele sihlangana nogogo uzama ukusifihla yabona ukuthi uzama ukubaleka uyabonakala ukuthi there's something strange that she's doing you know so ngibiza angithi vele kaSlam like if like kwenzakala something isikashaya if ipembe you know you understand vele senze njalo yabona ngisuke ngaphandle ushaya impembe ukuthi hey nangu ugogo ejardini nozani bizosiza manje abomakhelwane bazothatha ngathi siyahlala ugogo you understand vele baphume ugogo bazobona ukuthi kwenzakalani kanti vele abomakhelwane oyi1 uyasho ukuthi hayi lo gogo dala sihlupha siyamazi you understand so lo gogo lena ke nabasivele ngoba bathi dala vele amosha you understand adala amosha so isituation esenza kanjani bazama ukumshaya bomakhelwane you understand babamkhiphele ngaphandle bambuthi uzwenzani la bona ugcoka izinto ezimnyama nasebusweni usigcokisile ngathi angazini lezinto leziyayo yabona amakhelwane babuza ukuthi uzwenzani la you understand ugogo asho ukuthi hayi mengathi ngizwenza lutho you understand ukwabona umuntu ozama ukuexplain akungaexplaineli yabona vele basho babiza bathi bazama ukusha manje abanye babhudi basho ukuthi angeke shaya umuntu omdala baba nanto angeke shaya umuntu omdala and mina I'm interested you know ngendlini ngithi hayi mama mina angeke mina ngiyamshaya lo gogo ngiyabona mawumntwana uthole opportunity yokushaya umuntu omdala you know it's like yabo
bokhalele nje ukusha umuntu
omdala because like I'm not experienced you know hayi ngaleyo ndlela but you understand yabona ukuzilisa kunjani
okay
you know so ngithatha ipani endlini
ipani
yokufaka amaqanda ngithi ngiyomenzana ugogo ngepani ngithi ngiyomenzana ugogo ngepani ngisuke vele mayithi lapha mina ngifuna nje ukuyoshaya ngepani yabo avele bamvimba I didn't find vele i-opportunity understand vele ugogo bamshaye ugogo bamshaye understand but ugogo ube waba right abantu bakuhamba amalanga sezwa wathi hayi ugogo sakambile emhlabeni so yeah
Ulahlokofala.
ubilahlokafana.
This is how many days after that?
It was after babaqeda ukumshaya, it happened maybe after 2 weeks.
Kahlokofala.
Yes, kuyahlokofala.
Okay. Tama kopar khutlele mrawanyana.
Yes sir.
So you had this issue editweba kontu. Na ngikhono olefa diwasho no thatani washo nisebenzisa. Please just explain to us from diwasho tseo was there any solution to it? And then you were supposed to release diwasho tseo at 3:00 every day. How long did you use diwasho tseo at 3:00 and what was the progress for you to go back again? So, and as you said, you talked about the issue regarding some sound, strange sound, how it's about ha 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 ha. Like, can you please just elaborate further on that note?
Okay, remember when I told you Gogo ubila first washo then kibile ka robala bese ka ba paralyzed, understand? That was the last day fethu swelisa swasho sa Gogo cause mina my first question was why swasho sa gago selimnyama? That was my first question. So we didn't use that swasho, you understand? Because I had this belief ukuthi okay usinike ikati ugogo next day yakhona usinike ikati so ikati lizonceda ukuthi qosha amagundwane vele, you understand? But le kati le changeile, you understand? Nale ungibuza ukuthi siphume eBotswana ibonakala ukuthi mina ithi niyenzani. Okay, I mean obviously mina ithi kanjalo, understand ukuthi angeke ngingenze lutho mina, understand?
Kinibuwa literally.
No, it wasn't talking, but then ama actions yabona me ubuso bayo bekati mawubona like mina ngibona like ifamily nogogo nyana, you understand? But ngicanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiya overthink but uyabona le kati ukuthi hayi this is not normal, you understand? Ama reaction wayo uyabona inhleka le kati ukuthi hayi angeke ngingenze lutho. So yeah.
Okay, Tama, let us do this one, Mr. Stevie.
Yes.
Let us understand the seriousness and the ordeal what you guys went through so that it will take you to the length and the breadth of you wanting to or liberty to so to that extent. How severe was the situation of you wanting to go and get help? Like I want her ears and cigar. We had a serious problem. Impact, this is paid this is paid. Like big value maybe things like maybe that's name we couldn't progress and we could literally see what it's because of these reds. And also same applies to Lenda Balea Lekat. What was the worst thing that you guys had to face, whether in the presence of Nikate or the Tebatse? How was the situation going to? How was the life going to in the presence of those things?
It was really bad, you know. It was really bad because lekat leli man mina ngahlukumeza thina kuphela, you understand? Mawungena abantu nje ejardini liya attack lona. Mawungena abantu ejardini liya attack lona. Litshontshe livakasha inyama kanjani ikati enjani lelo kusho ukuthi alinamahloni lekati alisaba abantu. You understand? So it was truly a bad situation. I don't wanna lie, you know, it was hectic until sibona ukuthi hayi ugogo hayi ngathi naye nje yabona. So yeah.
How ne nama ya dinto ya divise ne utwa jang like could you see it literally it's a my completing inke nama or
well you know as ama visitors siyahlala kanje mhlambe sofeni yabona mhlambe sivukela iTV or something yabona ikati lize kahle, understand? Maliza lihlale lapho mhlambe 2 minutes nyana mayibona ukuthi asilahlile splitting baleke just like that.
Nelija nama.
Yes. So angithi obvious mawukuza ama visitors vese abaphekela bona maybe Sunday lunch, understand?
Yes.
So le kati leli li attack inyama eplatini yeka ama rice and everything li attack inyama labaleka lisatholakala. So it was that situation. So yeah.
But from someone who owns a cat, don't you think Mina, that's like normal animal behavior. Because if a cat is not taught well, sometimes yeah, but it can just jump on a table. But if ikat iyajwayeza ukuthi masiphaka siliphakela phansi, and then it gets used to eating from the floor. Yeah, and then you saying belivuka ngo-12 and then it'll make weird noises. Okay, I'm sorry to say this, but if maybe that sometimes it's breeding season, then when the cats are in heat, that's how they do. Lingakhuluma njengomuntu, lingakhipha ivoice yabo, like yeah, isounda njengomuntu, ngathi umntwana omncane malikhala, yabo. Just do those things. Those are normal cat behavior if onalo ikati. So I don't know, what do you guys think? What do you think on your end?
Well, ikati yona vele like into eshoyo is true, you understand, but that one was extreme because belangiphendulisa, yabona. Ngakhumbula ngikutshela ukuthi lingithukile, you understand. Manje ngithuke likhiphe enye inhlamba, angithazi ukuthi ikati lithi meow, you understand. Mara mina lithi meow, you understand.
Hey,
Like serious.
Tamai wetsuki mfana.
No, serious.
Cats can make weird noises. Like if you don't know, like we've had like cats. It's like how ngathi liyakhuluma. Like they try so hard sometimes. I think on that side, to communicate or in. Like they can make the most weird noises. Now to utebana. But if you love cats like me, what you used to them. I don't know.
But a situation nasewutswana ukuthi ikati like kude bese lisendlini, like it's shocking.
Yeah, because if it was a dog, one thing about cats and then like let's say uphuma ngayo for a distance, maybe usuka lana and then maybe we are to a place which is like 30 minutes away, it will never find its way back. Mara a dog, because he smells akhona liyakhona ukunuka. So layer of it was weird.
Yeah, it was weird. Then for a fact ukuthi just welcome masifika endlini. Like yabona nale reaction lelenzile ukuthi ha nithi nenzani, understand, it's something else, man. Yeah.
Okay, Hartebe, don't you think ifakaza to this thing that Ubaba Mpofu was talking about, monitoring spirits? Like you guys were being monitored using rats, and then you went to the very same person, and then thank you, wanipa layer vela was to be controlled. Not to say all cats are bad. I'm a cat lover, guys. Not to say all cats are bad or anything. That particular cat was being used by witchcraft.
And he said as well, Mr. Tamai, ukuthi bilne tsobotsi gagogo, image nyana gagogo.
Yes.
So okay, Ntate Tamai, so I'm also interested in this part. When you tried to kill this cat, what did you try to do? What is it that made you to fail so many times?
Okay, firstly, bengathi ngitheleli poison. Remember when I told you ukuthi amagundane siwathele poison kodwa akhethe emakhonini ukuthi adla kuphi, you understand? Nekati nje yenze same thing because I need to value ikati mesino uphekela ukudla okuningi, you understand. Yona meyidla but ingafi.
Poison as well.
Like uthola ukuthi like separate poison from ekudleni. Idle poison sale lapha. It's strange, like it's shocking, like you know.
Did you mix the food? Because I once had the same instance when I was still growing up.
Yes.
Whereby we would moitele retex ioto. A rat wouldn't eat it, but we mix it with other stuff. Yeah, because the rats are smart.
Yeah.
Did you guys mix it?
We did.
You could sense this one is mixed. I able to mail you over to me.
Yeah, true. We did mix.
No, I get it. Also, another thing that we didn't know, most people, is that when you start to touch that poison, this I've learned as well, it starts to sense your mood.
Oh.
So once you take that poison, trust me, my figure up, it will sense a scent, it will not eat it. So I'm thinking chances are it could be that because of lack of knowledge, we don't know. When poison, because what you're supposed to do is to wear gloves so that it doesn't pick up a scent. That is why it would not eat it. Till today, this is what we know now. Good know. When you take even halipirimi, mawitenga, umuntu ethenga amagazi uzokutshela ukuthi abutiwe. How when you start to mix it and you're going to strike, you must not use your hands. Besides the poisonous substance telling you on its own, any poison, whether Retex, whether what, when you use it, you must wear gloves so that it doesn't pick up the scent. So I think maybe out of not knowing, I don't know.
Because even the food is also touched. The food and the poison is touched by a person. And still being able to choose to okay, this is what.
Yeah, also if it's a cat that you're normally feeding, your scent is everywhere there.
Yeah.
With the cat, in the case of the cat.
Yeah.
If it's your pet, your scent is something it's used to.
Every day, all day. So we're saying clearly this was not a cat. Nelam Khon in the image of a cat. Oh,
I mean, the way a cat must ngiyibuka sometimes may nokubuka njengogogo. Like abon. So it's clear ukuthi ugogo ngishaya ikati la limali nyawo sininini ugogo akasakwazi ukuhamba. You see ama-sign lawo sininini masiceda ukushaya ugogo ikati alisekho ikati alisekho anywhere. So you see ukuthi like lento le, understand, and we had to go back esonto la mama ngithi hey ningozi because like mina mengabathembi honestly speaking, understand, manje abatshela ukuthi from now on ngizosonta.
okay, that the time I read the song. So Kokas, how many people knew Ruma Koko Muntenzinte? So I say this because sometimes we need to be very careful. As Funuguba in a situation, Masaskalas Bonaboko, Makasana Besese, already we know what Gunaboko Kaba Soloi. Noctil. So it shouldn't be a general no good no siga wonku cock as long as Mars good no cock kaslak, you must know she's a suspect. So Ekshadin, how many people ebeba saw Lumuntu and the saw? And why was there no meeting, maybe Bizwa or anything before as a Ashon and Okshono Kokazabula?
You know, like I used to hear rumors ane bathi abantwana like ugogo makamuntu othanda ukuthuma abantwana, understand, abanika imali lambani nonthengela, understand, but then abantu bawathanda ukutshela abantwana ukunika lapha ugogo makathi uyanithuma noma aniphi imali, don't go there. I didn't understand, you know, I'm ignorant, mina ngiwanjita o ignorant, you understand, but that day babe basho abantu abaningi bashilo ukuthi hayi ugogo kudala asihlupha la emphakathini saze samthola, you understand. A lot of people be saying that ukuthi dala ugogo asihlupha manje simtholile, you understand. You understand, but into is strange because like the time we used to go there no one came to us asitshela ngogogo ukuthi ingozi lento la. Instead they looked at us like oh okay sharp. So yeah, so a lot of people knew about this until ugogo aze ahambe emhlabeni because ijariti lakhe makane indombi eziyi2 ane okay indlu nendumba, understand, ngale like mongangeni kunala ungangeni khona, there is la ungena khona that other side akungeni bathi akunyathela umuntu uye kuphela ongenayo.
Mtho nele nyang nele sango.
Yeah, nele sangoma and nele me like apara saparo sa kereke. And asapara sa like nele me o apara saparo sa kereke la tswa kereke ngwa mona go gae abo ke mo kereke o yeah.
Ngapha uyisangoma ngapha ufake isangoma.
Yes.
What are the other things you've heard ukuthi she's done maybe emphakathini? Like, so clearly you're not the only one who complaining.
Yes. Mbenga ngezwa ugogo bathi like abe aphuza igazi lomntwana, you know. Umntwana omncane bayaphuza igazi lakhe. So like I was asking myself how. You understand?
Did they see her?
Yes, you understand. So I only thought ukuthi it was rumors nje, you understand, until nami ingenzakala lento le ukuthi yo kanti babathi ugogo uyaganga, like uyaganga ngempela.
No, I'm saying the drinking of the blood. Did they prove it? Did they see her? Whose blood was it? Or
no, they didn't prove it, but they were saying ukuthi omunye mama beyasho ukuthi ugogo umntwana abe ahamba emhlabeni lo gogo waphuza igazi lakhe ngoba bathi umntwana uhambe ugogo vele amenzisa le story angithi yazi uma uyohlola and everything back you know inyanga, so umntwana wahamba emhlabeni
atsa ulohlola kongkhong. Okay, Tamai, on that night before she passed on, unaetsa ngkhon kontlo?
I don't know ukuthi naetsa nkontlung. Remember go now like before it was 2 weeks back. Atlofokafala abon re mo shapile, okay ba mo shapile, I wasn't allowed to shap, I don't know why, you understand, but ba mo shapile, you understand, azanga hlokafala ba rene le motho strong, understand, but a hlokafala na kutle fela ba gae, you understand, and that thing batho ba kereke etsa getse na go batho ba kereke ba tla go tlo rapela kontlung, understand, ba re ba rapela, they didn't use any muthi, you understand, but ba re tsana zwa ukuthi once wang lapha izoyenza iphinda mshaya. You understand? It happened after that. You understand? Then the next day of it says about ugogo nagai. Sarambile emhlabeni.
Hayibo. Kereke yama oledi.
Yes. Hey, bakotsi blind. Bakotsi.
My angama number.
You know.
So Ntate Thamai, out of all this,
Yes.
wena as a little cheater, because you went through this ordeal. What went through your mind? Or maybe Kore, I'm trying to say, sometimes you try to look at things from both
Yeah.
negative and positives, and uzama by all means ukuthi ube logic. Uthola ukuthi kokunye uba logic ngapho uba a bit of ignorant yeah, well, sometimes you just try to strike a balance so that yazinto isolve amicably ukuthi kungabi nokuthi manje kube maybe sekuba nokushona kwabantu nani. So to you, Thamai, because it happened at home, afterwards, what went through your mind? Usale wathinteka, maybe was there a better way that the situation could have been solved?
Honestly speaking, like as nami ngiyumjita, understand? Mina like ngumuntu omunye, I'm very ignorant and I was always ignorant, understand? But that thing taught me a lesson. Like in teaching ukuthi sometimes like mele ngibe observant. You understand? So lento leyo like touchile emotionally, spiritually, you understand? But then I can finally say ukuthi like I mean, saying polly, you understand? That is the reason why I'm here. Like I'm trying to teach someone else there ukuthi you understand? Ama situation kanje ayenzakala. You ungeza ama rumors ucanga and it's true. You understand? So like I'm trying to teach someone else out here ukuthi no for it to, you understand? Into kanje you must be extra careful. You understand? Yeah, I'm not saying wonke amakati are bad, you understand? But then kuya ngokuthi like uyithola kanjani kubani, you understand? So yeah.
Thamai, let's get way forward and see ukuthi ngempela what you guys went through maybe was truly spiritual and it came from that source learning asekho namhlanje. Mankethi kushona lokho. How did your life change? How did you guys?
So it has like truly changed because ekuqaleni before amagundwane, you understand, but mesi abantu ba happy endlini, understand, like we were happy, I don't wanna lie, yabona umama ngumuntu ogren amagundwane mawakhona kwavele kwa-change and everything, you understand, singqina singazwani, you understand, endlini njalo siyalwa ku-dry endlini, izinto ezinjalo, you understand, umama waphelelwa umsebenzi, izinto eziningi nje, but after ugogo aqeda ukuhamba emhlabeni, you understand, nami izinto zami zavuleka, you understand, ngiyakhona kahle ukuthi ngiqhubeke with my acting career, ngiyakhona ungena isikole kahle, nomama wabuyelwa umsebenzi, izinto ezinjalo, you understand, so it was ama-sign nje, so yeah.
Bafethu lapha emakhaya, yeah, nangu uMr Steez uyabeka indaba yakho ukuthi no babe nenkinga yomagogo. Now I have this question for us lapha emakasana. What do you do when we have situations are so whereby before kuphuma nomphefumulo womuntu enyameni uma ngabe kuba nezinsolo which are so tangible nezibambekayo ukuthi no lo muntu lona uboniwe usolekile uphuze negazi lomuntu, why singambophisi? Because now we know ukuthi a proof will be needed ukuthi ngempela you must prove it ukuthi lo muntu lo uyenzini. How do we then draw the line to saying ngempela, because out of emotions kushona ingane yami or kushona ubaba or umama or umfethu or udadewethu, how do we strike a balance ukuthi ngempela this is the perpetrator and uyenze and I can prove it? This is the question that I have to Githi lapha emakasi ukuthi bafethu, where do we draw the line of saying it's not speculation, it is a fact and I can prove it? Because we know this thing, even nasey'panini into ze-witchcraft mawufika engamleni umtshela ukuthi someone is lowing me, ingami vele kutshela ukuthi just prove it, naso sikhathi ikhanda lidumbile lingakuzunwayela na, but because you can't prove it, so I'm asking so that maybe wafethi, how do we strike a balance, especially thina ngathi emakasi ukuthi before kuphuma umuntu umphefumulo, why singamconfront umuntu maybe with those facts namaphoyisa ukuthi no mina ngimbonile, this is the first evidence ukuthi uliphuzile igazi lomntanami. So nyambophisa. You understand? So are we going to allow this thing to because when you told nah, it was just yaze insolo noma imoya abantu mesiphakamile asakhona ukucabanga clearly.
True.
Yonke into iba irrational ifana ne-mob justice. That is why I've always avoided mob justice. Mina mayiqalenza ngiyaphuma nje because before ngizithola sekuthi nawe Sipho bomshayile sekafika hayi sekuyimi yena mangi hayi kuyena nathore thipa nakile ka itshwara ka re ke amofa hayi kwani uma ka Sipho thipa matsoa bona sekuyinkinga. So how do we strike a balance kuleyo ndaba bafethu? Bafethu, so let us know ukuthi indaba kaThamai nangu ugogo sekashonile izinto ziyavuleka. Do you know of situation or are you going through that situation enjengakaThamai lapha ekhaya? Or maybe even to take it further, are you someone who's been accused lapha ekhaya ukuthi no mina Sipho I know if a situation is so I was misunderstood maybe ngenxa yomsebenzi wami ngiyinyanga ngiyisangoma and then ngavelelwa into so but to prove ukuthi ngempela ezinyanga ezisangoma angikwenzi lokhu mina. How do we know? Because we need umuntu ongasinikeza some form of insight good know. In order for you to know and be sure, watch out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before you strike, watch out for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to prove intentional, do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if lapha emakhaya bafethu nolwazi ukuthi ama-situation, because we know siphila ngawo every single day. Very common. Very, 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 very common. You can go manje makasana, go manje nje. Manje as we are speaking right now, during this telecast. We know ukuthi kunomuntu umakhelwane wakho amfuna umthanda ngoba uyinyanga ngoba uyisangoma ngoba uyini and uyamsola ukuthi uye osithakathana. You understand? So bafethu, it's a very sensitive one and a very difficult one. But if we can find a way yokuthi singathola umhlahlandlela ukuthi yazi Nsika, trust me, ayikho yonke lento lenyanga nalezango bonke bayafana. You understand ukuthi banzima kanjani unaThamai? Is it genuine ukuba isangoma? Is it genuine ukuba inyanga? Ngempela, can you be isangoma or inyanga whereby zonke le mimoya emibi le that is attached to lo msebenzi, you are exempted for that? If you might have an answer to that, Buffett, who knows, would know, so you can be inyang, you can be sangom, basically a shy span. Please come through and prove us wrong. Please. Let me challenge abantu abawenza lo msebenzi. Yeah, once and for all. Once and for 2026, let's find a way out to this thing. Come and prove to us to say, Siga, this is how it's supposed to be. You understand? And these are the testimonies. Mkhampuze nabantu abayifona zango bahlebela ukuthi ngicela ubashele ukuthi so. And it's a proof ukuthi ngempela umsebenzi wami obunyanga obusangoma biyaspana and angaze ngaloya muntu angaze ngasithole majority nomunye umuntu ngoba or ngiphanda ama client ukuthi ngibathumele izinto baqeda mabeza kimi ngibabambe ngalamakati or ngamagondwana or ngoba yeah guys inzima Thamai.
Yes, pa.
In closing,
Yes.
What do you want to tell us about this whole situation? What is your overall understanding and way forward about this whole situation?
Somehow I'm really thankful because it taught me something, and I'm taking this situation and I don't make it a sad situation, but I laugh about it because it taught me something, and I guess ukuthi iyangikhulisa lento le, understand, mentally, understand, it teaches me ukuthi ngibe observant. So I'm really thankful, understand. Now ugogo ngiyam appreciate her because she taught me something that I didn't know, that I didn't believe in, you understand, because I never believed in spirituality in my life till today. So that's one thing that I'd like to say. And now abantu babukele bengithanda nje ukusho ukuthi nani nifunde, nibe careful. So yeah, so thank you so much.
Let me challenge you quickly.
Okay,
Kulaba abenza umsebenzi obuzangoma obunyanga nana le esihlezi siyisola nomsebenzi, your personal sincere view, what would you like to say since you've went through this situation?
Well, I'd like to talk to kuzonke like inyanga abantu basebentayo, you understand. I'd like to tell them ukuthi bafethu kunzima ngaphandle and uNkulunkulu, I mean, I believe ukuthi sonke uyasithanda, you understand. So I'd like to say to them like somehow like mele ukuthi bazwele omunye umuntu, you understand, like bazwele omunye umuntu, because like this thing is truly hard because I affect abantu abadala kuphela nabantwana, you understand, yaba affect and everything. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi ngicela ukuthi like sibe united, you understand, siphilisaneni mase abantu and everything. So yeah, you know, and if like it was possible angazi ukuthi mawenyanga ukuthi mawuye umuntwini yohlola, understand, you should get a certificate or what, I don't know, but the mother was
to prove the genuineness and things like that. Yeah, no. Babul Khele, I don't know if you might want to say just a word or two, since, because whether we like it or not, at home we have family members that go and consult. You know, mawuqala ubuya kimi uthi hey husband uyobona eGext, and I'm like yabona ke manje. Yabona ngina into engayifuni. So zosilethela le into zakho manje. Sisebumnyameni usifaka deeper into what do we say about the whole thing yezangoma nenyanga, and maybe in a positive light, is there anything good that come out of umsebenzi wobunyanga nobuzangoma?
I don't want to lie to that because I've never consulted before, so I wouldn't know if they do work or they don't work. And I think it's best I don't even have an opinion about it. I've never embarked on that journey, so my opinion would be baseless. Doesn't have proof, doesn't have support of it, so it's dangerous to make such
that's true.
Comments.
Mr. Teflawless, anything maybe you have consulted and then waba grand
Ngifuna nje mina abantu ba-understand ukuthi bowile nakati, it's not all cats.
Tate Cooper?
No, I think I'm with Biggie on this one because I've never been to consult in that manner. So my opinion really doesn't count in this situation. So I think people that understand it would have a better, knowledge to pass on to us. But for me, I personally don't know anything about it.
No, mina bafethu obvious ngantshela i-situation yami. Niyazi nani ningenzi ngathani ngazi. Ngantshela ukuthi bengizivaye benginjaya khona, benginjaya game. Yeah, bengivaya ngifike ngivele la esipilini bangibambe bangifake ngingene mara kusasa. So for me personally bafethu, unfortunately, or maybe ukuthi vele wena Ntatelo Khele bengazisi bengifuna umuntu actually sika mfana wona sekuseka ube famous, you rich and famous mfana ithungise kulo muntu wami. Yabo afika ashaya izinto bangithatha everything I remember ngiphethe iwashe ezibhaya ka uyakhuma ungitshela ukuthi la bengiqashe khona ngaphendula i-room labantu indumba. Ebusuku bekuphuma intuthe bafethu asiye mara ngitshelile nge-situation yami. Azingispanelanga bafethu. Hayi blind. Ngeke ngizenze ngcono. Ngizivayile le time ngikhumbula la ingazi ngata sakho yakho le time sasena ne autism da wathi siya ngizokaya 2 liter yeswasho mfana onelam lokuthanda kanje nithi mangakale yeswasho hey so the podcast for a normal show sentana bafethu ses out bafethu sengane ayoba.